Unleash the edge. Motorola Edge 40 launches with 144Hz curved display and wireless charging. Motorola, renowned for its lineup of budget-friendly Moto G-series smartphones, has recently taken a significant stride. The introduction of the highly anticipated Motorola Edge 40 to the Indian market solidifies its presence in the region. Boasting an impressive distinction, the phone has garnered significant attention, as it proudly claims the title of being hailed as the world's slimmest 5G smartphone with an IP68 rating. This effectively combines cutting-edge technology with top-notch durability to deliver an unparalleled user experience in terms of both sleekness and robustness. The Edge 40 is also the first phone to feature MediaTek Dimensity's AT20 SoC and the first in this segment to offer wireless charging. Despite many first phone claims, the most attractive part is the price. With an enticing price tag set below Rs 30,000, the Motorola Edge 40 emerges as a highly attractive option for tech-savvy individuals, especially those seeking a device that not only fits their budgetary constraints but also provides an impressive storage capacity of a whopping 256 GB within its internal memory. This would help users to store a vast array of multimedia content, applications, and files without compromising on performance. Motorola Edge 40 price in India. The Motorola Edge 40 entices potential buyers with a compelling cost of Rs 29,999, making it a highly accessible option, especially for individuals seeking a powerful smartphone that comes equipped with a generous 8 GB of RAM and a mammoth 256 GB of internal storage. This ensures ample space to accommodate a huge collection of multimedia files, applications, and data, all while delivering exceptional performance and efficiency. The phone is offered in 3 colors: RESEDA green and ECLIPSE black in a vegan leather finish and LUNAR blue in PMMA finish. The smartphone goes on sale on May 30 on Flipkart and Motorola India channels. It will also be available at partner stores including Reliance Digital. It is also currently available to pre-order on Flipkart. Motorola Edge 40 specifications. In an ever-evolving landscape of smartphone design trends, within the Rs 30,000 segment, there is an undeniable and gradual shift towards the incorporation of curved displays. Acknowledging this paradigm shift, Motorola, a prominent player in the industry, embraces this attractive display style. While the curved display has its own limitations, there is no denying that it generally offers a premium finish. Drawing upon their expertise in display technology, Motorola has implemented a state-of-the-art PLAYBACK panel in their latest offering, the Motorola Edge 40. The remarkable 6.5-inch display not only dazzles users with its immersive visual experience but also delivers an impressive Full HD resolution. The variants with a vegan finish, however, are slightly thicker. The variant with a PMMA finish measures 7.49mm, which still makes it one of the thinnest smartphones in the segment. Motorola states the Edge 40 supports HDR10+, Amazon HDR Playback, and Netflix HDR Playback. On the back, there is a 50-megapixel primary camera with OIS. It also includes a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera with macro vision. The front includes a 32-megapixel camera. Both the rear cameras can record 4K videos at 30 FPS. The front camera also offers the same capability. As mentioned, the Motorola Edge 40 draws power from the MediaTek Dimensity AT20 SoC paired with 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage and 8 GB of LPDDR4X. Other key features of the Edge 40 include 5G, 2 years of Android updates, and a 4400 mAh battery with 68-watt fast charging along with support for 15-watt fast charging.